forecast for Ponce and vicinity and for the southwest. Heat advisory in effect until standard time this afternoon. Rest of today, partly cloudy with isolated showers. Highs around 92. Temperature falling this afternoon. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Tonight, clear. Lows around 83. East winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Monday, sunny with isolated showers in the morning, then variably cloudy with scattered showers with isolated thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs around 92. Temperature falling in the afternoon. East winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. The forecast for northwest. Heat advisory in effect until 5 p.m. at 11. Rest of today, partly cloudy with isolated showers late this morning, then cloudy with numerous showers with isolated around 92. Temperature falling this afternoon. East winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Tonight, clear with east winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain less than 20%. Monday, sunny in the morning, then mostly cloudy with numerous showers with isolated thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs around 92. Temperature falling in the afternoon. East winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. The forecast for Madrid and vicinity. Heat at
they said that we could go up and go off. Can you read that alone? Close the door.
Data indicate that a well-defined low-pressure system has been developed. Service in San Juan has issued a special marine warning for Atlantic waters of Puerto Rico and U.S. VI from 10 nautical miles to 19.5 N. Coastal waters of northwestern Puerto Rico out 10 nautical miles. Coastal waters of northern Puerto Rico out 10 nautical miles. Mormon passage southward to north until 1:45 p.m. At 1:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located just offshore the Aguada and Aguadilla border, moving west at 50 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. The tropical for the North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea and the Gulf of America. Low, 10%. Formation chance through 7 days. Low, 20%.
Boletín. El Servicio Nacional de Meteorología en San Juan ha emitido un comunicado especial sobre las condiciones del tiempo. Una tronada fuerte impactará los municipios del oeste, oeste interior y noroeste de Puerto Rico hasta las 2 p.m. A la 1:08, el radar Doppler identificó una tronada sobre Aguada, moviéndose hacia el oeste a 20 millas por hora. Peligro, vientos en ráfagas hasta 40 millas por hora. The National Weather Service of San Juan has issued a special weather state. A strong thunderstorm will impact the western
Yeah, it could either be fog or rain.
Yeah, you're right. Or both at the same time.
Yeah, we're heading closer to the rain right there. Looks like we're gonna have some flash flood warnings because they said that the storm could intensify. Oh, there we go. We're getting some rain right now. On the highway PR10. That's very neat. Yeah. Gonna switch the batteries real quick. Oh well, I'm just gonna use this right here.
In 9 seconds. The marine forecast the coastal waters of northwest
Saw lightning. Something tells me this will not look good and pretty.
related showers late this morning.
Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh, look, it's focusing.
Afternoon. Tonight, east winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots. Seas around 2 feet. Wave detail. Southeast 2 feet at 5 seconds and northwest 1 foot at 9 seconds. Tropical weather outlook. At 1:36 p.m. For the North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea and the Gulf of America. Eastern tropical Atlantic at 97. Showers and thunderstorms continue to show signs of organization in association with a well-defined low-pressure area located about 100 miles east of the Cabo Verde Islands. Only a small increase in the organization could lead to the formation of a tropical depression before the low moves near or across the Cabo Verde Islands tonight and on Monday. Even if a tropical depression does not form over the next day or so, environmental conditions appear very conducive for later development, and a tropical depression or tropical storm is likely to form by the middle to latter portion of this week while moving west-northwestward at 15 to 20 miles per hour across the eastern and central tropical Atlantic. Formation chance through Atlantic 96. Disorganized showers and thunderstorms continue in association with a trough of low pressure located over the central tropical Atlantic. Some gradual development is possible during the middle part of this week while the system moves northward over the central Atlantic. Formation chance through 48 hours, low, 10%. Formation chance through 7 days, low, 20%. This is a flood statement. What urban and small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where? Iguana, Aguadilla, and Boca. When? Until 4:30 p.m. Impacts: minor flooding in low-lying and poor drainage areas. Water over roadways.
Jesus Christ.
safety / flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you do so safely.
This is insane.
This is a flood statement. What urban and small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where? Maurice and San Sebastian. When? Until 4:30 p.m. Impacts. Minor flooding in the low-lying and poor drainage areas. Additional details. At 1:51 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. This will cause urban and small stream flooding. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are expected over the area. This additional rain will result in minor flooding. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The coastal waters forecast. Synopsis for Puerto Rico and the South Virgin Islands waters. Moderate to locally fresh easterly winds are expected over the next few days, resulting in seasonal around 2 to 4 feet. Across the coastal waters of western Puerto Rico and the South Passage. Early next week, the entire Pacific Zone is forecast to move well northeast of the region. Trailing tropical moisture will bring periods of shower activity across the regional waters. By Tuesday into midweek, a Saharan air layer is expected.
Oh my god. Sorry if you viewers don't see it, but I saw it in some sort of fog or something. That was really, really weird.
Nautical miles to 19.5 then. Today, east winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots. Seas around 4 feet. Wave detail, east 4 feet in 8 seconds. Scattered showers, mainly this morning. Tonight, east winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 25 knots. Seas 4 to 5 feet.
The rain has calmed down, but maybe it's gonna go back to that. It's mostly over there, the rain. Whatever.
Increasing to 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 25 knots this afternoon. Seas around 3 feet. Wave detail, northeast 3 feet at 9 seconds. Scattered showers. Isolated thunderstorms this afternoon. Tonight, east winds 10 to 15 knots. this morning.
Boletín. El Servicio Nacional de Meteorología en San Juan ha emitido un comunicado especial sobre las condiciones del tiempo. Una tronada fuerte impactará el municipio de Utuado y municipios aledaños hasta las 3:30 p.m. A las 2:38 p.m. el radar Doppler identificó una tronada fuerte cerca de Utuado moviéndose hacia el noroeste a 20 millas por hora. Peligro, vientos en ráfagas hasta 40 millas por hora. Bulletin, the National Weather Service in San Juan has issued a special weather statement. A strong thunderstorm will impact Utuado and nearby municipalities at 3:30 p.m. At 2:38 p.m., the Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Utuado moving northwest at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour.
Coastal.
Anyway, okay, we are at home. We're finally at home. Let's see if there's been some flash flood warnings. Hold on. Right, hold on. This is all my stuff. Haven't wrote anything. Okay. Right, my alley dodges. Okay. Finally at home. Okay. Just went outside just right now and look at that. I've shown you the rain before. Really rainy. So cloudy. We're just gonna go inside just now. Anyways, yeah. It's really rainy. That's just, we're at home just now. Here's my room. We're back. I think I'm gonna, we're gonna set this up. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep recording just in case. Oh, I think SPS just been issued right now. No, I don't think so. I'll turn it on right now immediately.
9 seconds and south 1 foot at 4 seconds.
Alright, like I said, just gonna set this up. Excuse me for the mess. It's just becoming
southeast this afternoon. Seas around 2 feet. Wave detail. Southeast 2 feet at 5 seconds. North 1 foot at
1 to 20.
Scatter showers this afternoon. Tonight. East winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts.
We're also gonna get new batteries.
Seas around 2 feet. Wave detail. Southeast 2 feet at 5 seconds and northwest 1 foot at 9 seconds. The tropical weather outlook issued at 1:36 p.m. For the North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea and the Gulf of America. Eastern tropical Atlantic at 97. Showers and thunderstorms continue to show signs of organization in association with a well-defined low-pressure area located about 100 miles east of the Cape Verde Islands. Only a small increase in the organization could lead to the formation of a tropical depression before the low moves near or
We're got some new batteries for the H64 VP. I mean, the newest one.
Locally, heavy rainfall and gusty winds are possible today and Monday across the Cape Verde Islands. And interests there should monitor the progress of the system. Even if a tropical depression does not form over the next day or so, environmental conditions appear very conducive for later development, and a tropical depression
They could possibly relay it on TV.
in the middle to latter portion of this week while moving west-northwestward at 15 to 20 miles per hour across the eastern and central tropical Atlantic.
Let me cut signal.
Chance through 48 hours. Medium.
This is so fun. Okay. Just gonna set the. I'm gonna type to voice. Oh my gosh, set up the time as well, but whatever. So just back home, we'll see if they issue some flash flood warnings or any other type of stuff. Alright, so set up the time right now. Have to pause the video, 3:04 p.m. Today is August 10. 3 days until I go to school, but whatever. Tomorrow it's gonna arrive at 12 to 6 2. Gonna do an unboxing video with my friends. So yeah. Anyways, see you in the next EAS alert, which is pretty much soon. Okay, so they have updated the flash flood warning San Juan, and they upgraded to an FFWC. The damage threat is considerable. It ain't good. I'm gonna have to monitor.
En Hebreos 4:12. Y yo no le estoy pidiendo que cargue con este libro. Yo hoy lo traje, pero normalmente yo no lo traigo a la iglesia. Porque me pesa, primero porque me pesa, tengo que dejar ahí. Y va mi esposo tendría que cargar con él después que por lo general.
There it is right here. It's radar indicated and the damage threat is considerable. Okay, so shoot. Just gonna volume up just in case. This is just gonna be right there. I'll let you know of any other ones.
Only a small.
Apparently, I don't know if there's a flash flood warning issued. I think that's just the update. I got the FM radio on.
Hebreos 4:12, gracias mi amor, gracias mi corazón. 4:12 te dice, porque la palabra de Dios es viva y eficaz. Eficaz es activo.
There it is.
Efectivo. Saben que cuando yo la escribí, la tengo aquí, la palabra efectivo, dije, mire, lo mismo que se le llama al dinero suelto, el efectivo,
just
pero
wait.
tiene efectivo.
I'll be trying to configure the radio to just force signal.
50%. Formation chance through 7 days. Time, 90%. Central Atlantic at 96. Disorganized showers and thunderstorms continue in association with a trough of low pressure located over the central tropical Atlantic. Some gradual development is...
Nos educa, nos guía, nos lleva, nos dirige.
Formation chance
En momentos de dificultad, en momentos donde todo
through
nos
7
puede
days.
caer, ¿verdad que sí? Que no se me ocurre olvidarme porque no
This is a flood.
en momentos donde estamos
Okay, there we go. Loaded here.
todos. En esos momentos la palabra vuelve y nos refuerza. Vuelve y nos refuerza.
Oh my freaking god.
Hay cosas que a veces uno en público no debe, ¿verdad? Pero si Dios me trajo aquí, mire,
Okay, this is really unexpected right now. I did not
para el
know
mes de enero, febrero, el Señor
an
me puso la
FFWC, flash flood warning considerable, would be
para
issued.
el tema del campamento.
I mean, like,
Lo ha hecho
damn.
por 13 años. Y quizás hace 20 años atrás yo hubiera escuchado esto de una persona y decía,
I'm gonna go back to my IM bot,
qué
but
disparatera. Esas son las emociones, no hermano. Con mucha humildad les tengo que decir. Esos temas me los ha puesto por 13 años consecutivos el Señor aquí. Me inquieta y me los pone aquí en la cabeza. Y este año
it was just. Oh my god, it's getting worse. Hold on. Oh my god, look at this. I do not think that this is gonna end well. This is literally, look at the storm right now. Flash flood warning's been issued in San Juan, and look at this right now, right here. How about over there, where the blue skies are, it's peaceful, but right now, this is not looking good.
Yo dije, wow, tengo que obedecer.
This is serious.
Obedecer es seguir.
Alright, gonna get the multi-window.
Obedecer
Oh,
es
there you go,
seguir.
right here.
El Señor nos manda a leer, a seguir su palabra. Hoy es la
He's
Biblia.
weather-wise.
Antes, para aquellos tiempos eran los rollos y todavía existe. La palabra te permite a ti inclusive discernir. Ustedes saben cuando nuestro pastor Melvin ha hablado de música, de canciones, que no van acorde con lo que uno debe adorar, con lo que uno debe cantar, no adorar, cantar. Porque si ese es mi caso, pues cantar, pues yo nunca adoraría, ¿verdad? ¿Cómo usted se da cuenta de eso? Porque por el estudio y la lectura de la palabra, no es de otra forma. Usted puede hacer 1000 estudios, todo lo que usted quiera. Pero si usted no hay
Look at this.
ahorita le voy a explicar cómo dice, lo más
El Servicio Nacional de Meteorología en San Juan ha emitido un comunicado especial sobre las condiciones del tiempo.
un arma para la
Una
batalla
tormenta fuerte
espiritual.
impactará el municipio de Utuado y municipios aledaños hasta las 3:30 p.m.
La palabra
Look about
El
there.
Servicio
da
Nacional
la
de Meteorología en
fuerza
Salvador
para
identificó una
combatir.
tornada fuerte cerca de Utuado moviéndose hacia el noroeste
Ustedes
a
saben
20
lo
millas
que
por hora.
a mí el
Yeah, that
Espíritu
naval
Santo
teacher.
me reveló va a ser
Oh, it's raining.
Boletín de National Weather Service in San Juan has issued a special weather statement.
I don't know if you can see it, but okay, there we go.
Utuado and nearby municipalities to 3:30 p.m. At 2:30
It's cold.
the radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Utuado moving northwest at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour.
O sea, yo Dios, bajé como hombre.
This is a marine weather statement. Issued at
Todavía me parece
3:07
leer,
p.m.
estoy sentada en el
A
pabellón
strong thunderstorm over the Mona Passage.
de mi
The
casa.
areas affected include coastal waters of northwestern Puerto Rico out 10 nautical
Great, we got
miles,
two multi-windows.
passage southward to north at 3:05 p.m. Doppler radar indicated a strong thunderstorm capable of producing winds around 30 knots.
Cada uno de ustedes.
This
Boletín. El Servicio Nacional de Meteorología en San Juan ha elevado el aviso de inundaciones repentinas a considerables para los siguientes municipios: Bayamón, Guaynabo y San Juan. Hasta las 4
They said
p.m.
they upgraded it. They upgraded into an FFWC.
Identificó una
Flash
tornada
warning
produciendo
considerable.
lluvia
They
fuerte
upgraded it.
naturales
I mean,
de bajo aviso.
Claro que me
De 2
salió.
a 3 pulgadas de lluvia han caído. Lluvia adicional de 1 a 3 pulgadas es posible. Inundaciones repentinas ya están ocurriendo. Peligro: inundaciones que podrían estar afectando la vida. Bulletin: the National Weather Service in San Juan has elevated the flash flood warning to considerable for the following municipalities:
there you go, right there.
Guaynabo and San Juan until 4 p.m.
I got a feeling this is gonna
Radar indicated thunderstorms
go to me right now.
rain across the one area, which included 3 inches have fallen. Additional rainfall up to 1 to 2 are possible in the one area. Flash flooding is ongoing.
There you go, right there. Flash flood warning.
Hazard: live sudden flash flooding.
Por conveniencia al bolsillo
This is a marine weather statement.
del gobierno.
Issued at 3:07 p.m.
Aleluya.
A strong thunderstorm over the Mona
La
Passage.
palabra, no, pues claro
The
que
areas affected include coastal waters of northwestern Puerto Rico out 10 nautical miles, Mona Passage southward to north at 3:05 p.m. Doppler radar indicated a strong thunderstorm capable of
I-
winds around 30 knots.
Okay, this is not
Located about 10
pretty.
nautical miles west of Rincon, moving west at 10 knots. Owners can expect gusty winds to around 30 knots, locally high waves, lightning strikes, and heavy downpours. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Intense lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service Forecast Office. The Coastal Waters Forecast. The synopsis for Puerto Rico and the New South Virgin Islands waters. Moderate to locally fresh easterly winds are expected over the next few days, resulting in seas of around 2 to 4 feet. Afternoon convection is expected to develop each day across the coastal waters of western Puerto Rico and into the Mona Passage. Early next week, the Invest 96L is forecast to move well northeast over the region. The trailing tropical moisture will bring periods of shower activity across the regional waters. By Tuesday into midweek, a Saharan air layer is expected to arrive, leading to reduced visibilities. Additionally, the Invest 97L, monitored by the National Hurricane Center, is forecast to also move well northeast of the region, but it could trigger some marine hazards by the upcoming weekend.
Bendición,
The marine
la
forecast
gracia
for
y
the
el favor
Atlantic
de
waters of Puerto Rico
Pero
and
¿sabe por qué lo
USVI from
entiendo?
10 nautical miles to
¿Sabe por qué
19.5 N.
entiendo esto?
Today, east winds
Porque
10
estoy
to 15
leyendo la
knots
palabra
with
y no me
gusts
canso
up to
de
20
leerla, no he
knots.
terminado de leerla
Seas around 4 feet.
y la seguiré
Wave detail is 4 feet at 8 seconds.
obligatoriamente.
Scattered showers, mainly this morning. Tonight, east wind.
Boletín. El Servicio Nacional de Meteorología de San Juan ha emitido un aviso de inundaciones repentinas para los municipios de Bayamón, Cataño, Guaynabo, San Juan y Toabaja hasta las 4 p.m. A la 1:55 p.m. el radar Doppler identificó una tronada produciendo lluvia fuerte a través del área bajo aviso. Entre 1 y 2 pulgadas de lluvia han caído. Lluvia adicional de hasta 2 pulgadas es posible en el área bajo aviso. Inundaciones repentinas están ocurriendo o se espera que comiencen pronto. Peligros e inundaciones repentinas causadas por tronadas. Bulletin. The National Weather Service of San Juan has issued a flash flood warning for Bayamón, Cataño, Guaynabo, San Juan, and Toa Baja until 4 p.m. At 1:55, the Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm producing heavy rain across the one area. Between 1 to 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 inches are possible in the one area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard. Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
Okay, they extended it.
Up to 20 knots rate. Seas around 3 feet. Wave detail. Southeast 3 feet at 5 seconds and northeast 2 feet at 9 seconds. Scattered showers. Tonight, east winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots.
Okay, they canceled
Seas
it.
3 to 4 feet. Wave detail. East 3 feet at 4 seconds and northeast 2 feet at 10 seconds. Scattered showers after midnight. The rain forecast for the coastal waters east of Puerto Rico, around Vieques, and around and just north of Culebra and St. John. Today, east winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Wave detail, southeast 2 feet at 5 seconds and east 2 feet at 8 seconds. Scattered showers. Tonight, east winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Wave detail, east 3 feet at 4 seconds and northeast 2 feet at 8 seconds.
Apparently they expired it,
May become
but
impassable.
not
River or stream flows are elevated.
Utuados.
Additional details. At 4:23 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. This is causing urban and small stream flooding. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to
Tenemos que ser útil para Dios.
Right now it's 5. I mean, about to be 5. 4:59 p.m. Today's August 10. Gonna possibly get my weather video tomorrow. But right now, there's just one flood advisory left. Just for Utuado. So yeah. I'm still gonna monitor to see if they upgraded, but this is don't think it will update it. You know, it's not gonna upgrade into a flash flood warning because, you know, when I look at the rain, don't think they will. It's just flood advisory. Let me see composite. Excuse me. Alright, let's just play it out. Let's see. Okay, I don't see any composite radar yet for some reason. I'm just gonna go back to radar again. Let me see TSJU. Okay, there's a flash flood warning is still in effect. Damage is still considerable, but will expire sooner. I really don't know if they're gonna upgrade it, but I doubt they will. I just doubt it. But again, I'm still monitoring to see if any warnings get delayed on WXA68.
5 to 10 knots after midnight. Seas 3 to 4 feet.
No messages. Oops, there's no messages. Neither of them has a message. Nothing. We'll see. It's 5:02 p.m. Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you. I'm gonna show you the outside real quick. Ay.
Pues me voy, que estamos hungry.
Hamburger.
Why?
But I want a cheeseburger.
Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac.
Alright, so yeah.
Somebody here.
Alright, so it's just minor rain. Just nothing else pretty much, just wet road. So yeah. And we'll see you in the next EAS or any other video. Hello internet, the NWR guy here. This is probably it of my part 1 of the EAS compilation of Tropical Madness. Apparently MBEST 97L, which was like 90% of development during the next 7 days, and also in the next 48 days. Apparently it formed into a tropical storm, and it will soon be a major hurricane according to NHC, known as the National Hurricane Center. I think that will be part of my part 2 of Tropical Madness EAS compilation. So anyways, I really hope that you enjoyed the video, and see you in the next compilation or other video. Peace.